How to create a quick mask in Affinity Photo. The key thing is you need a layer, an image, gradient, etc. Press Q to enter the quick mask mode. That's on the keyboard. As soon as you do that, you'll see the image goes red. Now you can manipulate this. Go to the paintbrush tool, make certain the colour is set to white. So go down here. With white, you can now apply your mask using the current brush. Of course, you can use any brush. You can also change the size and other settings. If you want to exit quick mask mode, press Q. If you want to go back, press Q again. You can also apply effects. So go to Filters, go to Blur and Gaussian Blur. If you want to blur the mask, click Apply. If you want to remove some of the quick mask, set the colour to black. And again, apply, and then it's removed. To exit again, press Q. And now you've got your selection. You can now fill it. So go to Layer and New Layer. And then Gradient tool and apply gradient or anything else. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you much.